my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed, my darlings. I am feeling so blessed. I am feeling so happy when I tell you I'm just affirmation. I'm just feeling very grateful and very blessed. I'm sure some of you must be saying, Fumi, what is this all about? Darlings, you are not going to believe it. I bought this at a thrift store for £5. Just look, baby, and then just look at the bag. Yep, living and loving. And I just thought, why not? It's got a little slit, and I'm wearing a pair of very beautiful, let me take this off so you can really see. I'm wearing a pair of really beautiful crimson heels. I also bought this at a cancer charity shop, and they're called what? Sam and Elderman. And I just lived and loved the color. Are you living and loving the lip? I seldom do color on the lip, but today I just thought, let me do something a little different. One of you in the comment section said, Fumi, your makeup is very dark. I said, because you know I'm sensitive. I said, you know what, let me lighten this up. Then some of you said, Fumi, you're getting lighter, your complexion is beautiful, don't change it. I am not lightening my complexion, I'm getting older. I am 55. I'm going to be 56 in the next 5 months. What kind of advice can I give my 50 sisters? You lift weights. I lift weights. When I tell you, lift the weights, absolutely fantastic. I used to do a lot of cardio. Now in the morning, sometimes I'll just go for long walks, but I lift my weights. I do 3 reps for my arms, for my thighs, for my butt, for my legs, for my tummy. I have all kinds of weights. I just lift weights, and I've seen that it just really tones me up, it tightens me up. I don't necessarily look at the scale. I'm a size 6. I am 5'9", so I'm pretty tall, and that's about it, my sugars. So why are we here? Why are we here, my darlings? We are here because our beautiful Jennifer Lopez just might have a new man. He is tall, he is blonde. Apparently, through the grapevine, he's from Scandinavian descent. And you know my man is Scandinavian. Yes, Ulla is Norwegian. When they say Scandinavia, they're talking about Norway, Denmark, and Sweden. I've been to all 3. When I tell you, oh, beautiful. And I tell you this also. Right from the airport, because I flew in the first time from California. I went to Amsterdam. From Amsterdam, I changed flights to head to Scandinavia, to head to Norway. The flight from California to Amsterdam was mixed. It was very diverse. When I changed the flight from Amsterdam to go to Norway, when I tell you I was the only person of color, I was the only person that even had dark hair. They are blonde, they are blue-eyed. So when they saw me, they're like, are you going to stay here? Are you going to stay here? Are you going to stay here? They were so excited when I tell you that they love us. There was a man that asked me, I went, Ulla had given me money and I was going shopping. And he stopped me and said, I just love you. Will you marry me? I said, no, I can't marry you. I am already married. He said, but are you happy? Because we can change that. I said, these folks are crazy. When I tell you, Scandinavia loves you. So my sisters, if you want to be a little bit broad-minded and have a happy, wonderful, yummy, gorgeous life of love and affection, go right to Scandinavia. When I tell you that they'll appreciate you, your visa, anything can expire. They don't mind. They'll say, we'll fix it for you. Do you want some hot chocolate? I say, yes. And then the H&M collaborations, you get all of them, mama, because it comes from Sweden. So we get the entire collection when I tell you. Anyway, I digress. Moving along. So Jennifer Lopez has been seen with this new guy. and he is hot to trot, always wearing like a grey jacket. And we have come to find out, because you know Jennifer Lopez has broken up with Ben, and she filed for divorce about 3 months ago on their 2nd year anniversary. And so girlfriend, as we now know, and I really accept Jennifer now, because I've given Jennifer so much advice in the past, but I now realize that Fumi, you should also know the person you're giving advice to. Jennifer lives and loves for men. She's not whole without another man. That is what she has kind of shown me. I say this because this gentleman just popped out of nowhere. And you know, there were stories. As a matter of fact, hold on, because I think I have a little itty bitty article here. So let me quickly read. Yes. Jennifer Lopez, Jennifer Lopez has a new man in her life amid the Ben Affleck divorce. Jennifer Lopez was recently seen in London turning heads with her impeccable style and the presence of a new bodyguard. The 54-year-old singer and actress was photographed stepping out of a sleek black vehicle, holding onto the hand of her striking blonde security guard. This sighting comes as Lopez navigates her high-profile divorce from Ben Affleck. Lopez showcased her trademark elegance wearing a chic black dress under a sophisticated double-breasted white coat. She paired the look with leather boots featuring buckle details, a stylish black hat, and a small purse. Her bodyguard matched her polished aesthetic, donning a grey blazer over a black button-down shirt and pants with a pin reading PG on his lapel. Black sneakers added a casual edge to his otherwise professional outfit. The mystery man is no stranger to Jennifer Lopez's busy life. According to a source quoted by the Daily Mail, he has been a part of the security team for about a year, accompanying her during Amazon-related projects. His presence was also noted at the London premiere of Lopez's film Unstoppable earlier in the week. He's a new addition in her security team, but he's not the only one the insider shared. She has several security bodyguards around her whenever she has several security guards around her whenever she goes out. They are just hard to see. So I tell you this, knowing Jennifer, knowing her trademark, because you know that she married a dancer, she married a chef, and of course she married Ben finally, and they divorced. And then of course she married what does he call himself, the singer, I'm blanking out right now, Mark, yes, it was Mark, Marky Poo. Needless to say, why is he showing up now? Mind you, the bodyguard is married. Let's put that out there. Why are we seeing the bodyguard now when he's been there a year? It means that he was in the background because Ben was there. Now 3 months have passed, and that's enough for Jen, because she needs her bed hot, not warm, hot, and she needs to have a man around her. Whoever the wife is of this bodyguard, darling, be prepared. Just be prepared. That's all that I can tell you. We are being introduced to this man because Jennifer Lopez is taking baby steps into introducing this man to us, because he is very much in her life. That's the way that I can read it. He's a handsome guy. He fits the bill. He's now arm in arm with her, going to places. And this tells you that Jennifer just has to have a man all the time, and she's attracted to the physicality. He fits the bill. He fits her aesthetic. Do you think that all of a sudden he has all of these clothes to be wearing? Not that he doesn't have the money, because I'm sure Jennifer is paying him very, very well. But now she said, you know what, get him a stylist, bring him to the forefront, because he'll be accompanying me. I need a man. I need somebody strong to be around me. I just need all of this. I don't blame Jennifer. Do you know why? Being a celebrity is not fun. No. It is absolutely not fun. Yeah, it's not fun. It's not fun. You're adored by many, and then after that everybody goes home to their lives. The lights switch off, and you know, the autographs are done and you go home alone and you have a complex. I'm good enough for this, but in my private life, I'm a failure. I'm not this, I'm not that. Jennifer is wonderful at what she does as an entertainer. As an entertainer, that's it. But when it comes to her personal life, she needs to be handheld all the time, throughout the time. I believe that she will get married again and again and again and again. She needs support. Ben has left. Ben did not want to make an effort to even stay. Well, she had no business marrying him in the first place. And with Diddy swirling around, and that was her ex, she's dodging bullets left and right. She's got nowhere to go. So she needs a yes man. She needs the bodyguard. Yeah, this is the bodyguard being the bodyguard to a celebrity entertainer. You remember the movie that the late Whitney Houston did? This is it right here in front of us. She has a new man. Yes, she does. She absolutely has a new man, because that's why we're seeing him. Other than that, we would not have seen him. Do you get my drift? Bless you. Bless you, bless you, bless you, Jennifer Lopez. You're going to sleep with him. Maybe you already are. I don't know. You might marry him. I don't know. You're going to lose some money. I guess you can afford it. But that's the way of the world. The world moves on, and she's not going to be out here in these streets with a cold bed. Absolutely not. Her $64 million mansion, of which she shared with Ben Affleck, is still on sale. I mean, who has $64 million to buy? Who does? And I tell you this, they might have bought it when Jennifer Lopez was really popular, when Jennifer Lopez was harder than pockets on jeans. There was a time when Jennifer Lopez was that babe. Yes, she was. I was there to see it. We're the same age. But not anymore. The value has gone down, mama. So that house will have to also go down in value. She still lives there. She still lives there with the children. And like I said, the bodyguard, I am sure, will be making some night visits. You know, I feel sorry for the children. I truly feel sorry for the children, because this is their life. This is their life. And there's nothing that they can do about it. They just have to develop a thick skin, because this is their mom, and their mom is a celebrity. Their mother lives for that camera. She ready. And that's it. You know, I am not going to be out here in these streets for all of this months while all of you live your lives, while all of you do what you do. You know, you have your Thanksgiving, you have your Christmas, and she's going to be alone because Ben and her are not working out. On top of which, when she announced the divorce to Ben, I'm almost certain that they were already apart for what? Maybe a year. So she needs to somebody to visit her below the belly button. She's like, you know what? I don't deserve this. I don't blame you, mama. I don't blame you, Jennifer Lynn Lopez. I don't blame you. I am at home with my man, and I get loved up, and I get loved up again by my little man, Adrian. And it is what drives me. I promise you. I feel fantastic. Hence the color, the lip, and then I'm under the guise that is the sunshine. I have a man that loves me, that I love. We kick it, we kiki. Jennifer deserves it too. That's the point I'm trying to make. You know, it's not fair. It's not fair. Life moves on. And so, my darling brothers and sisters, get your love where you can get it. Get your love. It's the endorphins, you know, it picks you up and you do feel fabulous. You really do. So that is all I have to say on the topic. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the notification button, my darlings, and I will see you. What? I will see you sooner than later. Oh my. There we go. Let me take some pictures. What time is it? Fumi, fantastic. It's 10:15. Yeah? Okay, check.
Beautiful. Wow.
You like it?
I love it.
Yes, pretty?
So nice.
So nice because the sunshine is out.
Exactly.
You know? So I thought, why not? Fumi Nation deserves a little difference. I seldom wear colored lip. Yes, 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 Maria. Exercise, exercise, exercise. We thank the Father. Oh, God. All right. You're very welcome, my darling. Okay.